Morning viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. This morning we'll be going to Port Morant to do some fishing. Background is my good friend Mr. Rush Car. Hoping today will be a successful day. We are traveling with Mr. Glen Minott Jr., son of Corporal Minott, a very good friend of mine. Representing on the Area Castle Main Road, heading towards Port Morant. Yeah, as you can see, they are carrying in the boat. We're going to put on the Parson 40 horsepower engine on this craft here, and then we'll be on our way. Here we go again. We are at it again, going out to sea to see what the fish can do for me. Tiny bubbles in my beer makes me happy, makes me have no fear. Wow. All right. All right. You know, the gate, you see? Come on, then tear it on the wire fresh. Come on, then dry this. Slack up. Slack up. That's a big reef snapper. Mind the lionfish now.
Step over. You step over. No, over this, over here. Step right over.
Rush and Glen at the control.
Right down there, sir. Step over this. Put over next. Right.
One yellowtail, one lobster. You okay, Rush?